Making mistake is necessary in English. The story almost everywhere who try to speak English face the same problem in the beginning. They are not silent because they have nothing to say. They are silent because they are afraid of saying it wrong. This fear is universal. It does not matter where you are from, how educated you are, or how you long study in English. At the start, everyone hesitate. This create illusion of correct English. Most learner believes there is a perfect version of English they must reach before speaking. They imagine correct grammar, proper pronunciation, fluent confidence, tone. So they wait. They practice silently. They listen more than they speak. They correct sentence in their head, but language does not work like that. English is not learned by avoiding mistake. It is learned through mistakes. So never focus on proficiency. Focus on speaking. Why mistakes are inevitable? Every speaker, native or non-native, make mistake. Native speakers use incorrect grammar, forget words, change sentence midway, but they continue speaking. Mistakes are not a sign of incompetence. They are a sign of active learning. If you are not making mistake, so you are probably not using the language enough. How the brain learn language through feedback. When you speak and make a mistake, your brain notice the gap. It compares expectation with reality. It adjusts from the next time. This process cannot happen in silence. And reading buildings knowledge, listening building familiarity, but speaking build skills, and skill develops only through try and error. The real problem is not mistake. The real problem is how learner interpret mistake. They think people will judge me, I sound foolish, or I sound stop speaking. But most listeners are not judging accuracy. They are listening for meaning. Communication matter more than correctness. A sentence with mistake that deliver meaning is far more valuable than a preferred sentence that is never spoken. Every fluent speaker was once awkward. Every fluent English speaker has gone through an awkward phase. So they mispronounce common words, they use wrong tense, they pause too much. Fluency did not come first. Exposure did. Confidence did not come before mistake. It come after survival them. So mistake are proof of movement. Mistake indicate movement. So you are using the language, you are testing limits, you are stepping outside comfort. Silence, on the other hand, feels safe but provide no data for improvement. You cannot refine what you never attempt. How to use mistake productively? So separate meaning from accuracy. Ask yourself, was I understood? If yes, the communication worked. And accuracy can be refined later. And allow temporary imperfection. Fluency requires tolerance for awkwardness. Or you must be willing to sound imperfect before you can sound natural. And speak before you feel ready. Readiness is a byproduct of usage, not preparation. You speak, you adjust, you improve, not the other way around. And notice pattern, not single errors. Do not obsess over one mistake. Look for repeated patterns. This is where real improvement happen. And redefine confidence. Confidence is not speaking without mistake. It is speaking despite mistake. And you can change everything with your communication skill. Mistakes are not obstacles in learning English. They are pathway. Every error carries information, every correction receive understanding. So if you are making mistake, you are not failing, you are learning the only way language allow. Try to daily practice and you become like a native speaker. Thank you so much.